So, what's up everybody? It's your boy, Young Duck, and today I wanted to make a video for those who want to start a YouTube channel. So let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to need is the want to and the drive. Because if you don't have the drive and you don't have the commitment, you don't have the dedication, I mean, you can do one for fun, just put some stuff out, but if you really want to make it a career, you have to have that drive. No matter how hard it is, no matter if the views ain't coming or the subscribers ain't coming, you just keep working, it will come. You have to keep on it. Some days you won't want to do it, but you just got to push yourself and think of bigger goals ahead and always try to make it consistent. Step 2, another tip. If it depends what video you want, but if you want to do a more vlogging type video, you need a camera. Right now, I use a GoPro. GoPros are very good. This one shoots in 4K, which is pretty good quality. Make sure you stack up on SD cards. Very good quality ones. Make sure your camera's battery's always charged. Make sure you got a stand for it. Get some accessories so it's a lot better to use and a lot more versatile. GoPros are the way to go. It's a good, cheap option at first. Second thing you'll need is a microphone. Right now, I don't have a microphone for my GoPro external, but it has the internal. The internal does good at first. It's pretty good. But if you want to get that crisp sound with your stuff, you need a good external with a pop filter, preferably. Now, if you want to do like what I do, sit down, do video games, stuff on the computer, you're going to need a lot more. As you can see behind me, I have a green screen. Personally, for games, I prefer green screen, so nobody sees what's behind you. Nothing's crazy behind me. It's just the green screen. You pay more attention to the game than you do the surroundings. But if you have a cool setup, you might want to just do no green screen, but green screens are very cool. Very, very worth it. And then you also will need a web camera. I have a Logitech C920S, I think it is. It's a very good one. Shoots in 1080p, crisp, no lags. Very good. That'll run you about 110, 120 bucks, but there are some cheaper versions, knockoff ones on Amazon or some places you can get about 40, 50 bucks. Do pretty well for what they are, about 720p, my bad. Not bad, pretty good for what it is. And then you're going to need lighting. Me, personally, here's one of my old ones. I'll show you my old ring light. I have a second one. This one broke, I accidentally broke the wire on it. Sorry. But this is a very good ring light to use. That's what I'm using. I have a LED light in my bedroom also, so it looks pretty good. Now you're going to need an editing software. That's the main important one. Yeah, there's some free ones. There's some free ones that do all right. But it's just, a lot of times they're watermarks. It's just not as good as if you go and buy one. Like with me, I have Filmora Pro. Great program. Another thing you'll need is a good thing to edit on. See, personally, my old computer that I was using, it didn't have a good processor. It's an Athlon, so it's only a $20 processor now. It's terrible. So with little videos, it would take me hours, like no joke, on my thing to render it, export. It'd take it like 7 hours. So you need a good processor. Right now I have a Ryzen 7 3700X, works perfect. Say I'm doing a 30-minute video, it'll get done within 5-10 minutes max. Very, very good. Then also you'll need some headphones. Then you'll also need some headphones. I have a HyperX. My buddy Nate gave it to me. Shout out, Nate. Very good. Some editing softwares you'll need. Sometimes they'll run on good graphics card. Right now I don't have the best graphics card. It's what I can afford. It's not bad. It's a NVIDIA GTX 660. It works for what I need it for. And yeah, microphones. Yeah, so I won't worry too much about graphics card for editing. Now, microphones, you can get good microphones for cheap. I had my first one. I got it from Walmart, I think, for like $20 maybe. It lasted a while, then it broke. But good quality. Right now, I use a Blue Snowball. Right now, pretty good. That'll run you about $50. And I also have, like, it sounds weird, but I also have an old Rock Band microphone that actually sounds better than that. So I might start using that, get me a whole little setup. But also, you just have to make a consistent schedule. When you're going to upload, make sure the videos are a little more than 10 minutes or more. That's what YouTube loves. If it's 10 minutes or more, make sure you get a lot of likes. Make sure everybody likes. It keeps coming. The views and the likes are important, and the subscribers will come, because the more likes, the more YouTube's like, oh, people actually like this. Let's put it in more recommendations. So more likes equal more recommendations. So that's what will really grow your channel. Make sure you get a lot of likes. Just be consistent and have fun. It's the main thing, have fun. Say you're playing a game. This is what I see with people all the time. They're making videos playing games, or they're live streaming playing the games. They're just sitting there like this. To say they do something super good in the game, super cool, they just sit and do this. I'm like, well, I want a little comedy, or like, yo, you show some emotion. With me, I'm always laughing. I'm always joking. I take it serious, but I don't take it too serious. Say I hit something wild, I'm like, whoa, you see that? You know, something cool. So just make sure it's original, and it's entertaining, and it's what you want to do, and just be consistent. Put your heart and soul into it. Be consistent. Say you just want to do it on the odds and ends. You don't have to do too much, but you can upload, say, like once a week. That's consistent. It's consistently uploading once a week. Or if you want to do it long term, do it more. I do it 5 days a week. You just got to be consistent, and you got to have the drive. And all the extra tips I gave you, that'll help too. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making this video. If you have any questions, more tips or tricks that you want to ask, or any questions of how to edit it or where to get the stuff.
So I didn't get to make a outro for this, actually. So if you, like I was saying, if you need any other tips and tricks, hit your boy up. My social medias are Young Duck, YUNGDUCCK, just like the channel name. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope everybody's having a great day, and hope everybody really took some notes from this. And if you need any help, like I said, just hit me up any time of the day. It does not matter. I'll help you out, because I like seeing people grow, and I'm glad to meet new people. And hopefully I'll see you on the platform soon. And as always, stay safe and good night.